How would you like to get paid for every single click on this new website? Not only is it new, but it's absolutely free and worldwide available. And in this tutorial, I will teach you step by step how to do this. And at the end, I will give you bonus free tool which will set everything on autopilots. You can earn from those clicks passively, but first we got to check if you have what's necessary to make this work. Number one, you will need a device like a laptop, computer, tablet, or a smartphone device. Number two, you will need the internet connection or Wi-Fi. Number three, you need to know how to click. If you have those three, then great, you can make this work. Now before we start, just make sure to like this video, leave a thumbs up. So just take a second and tap the like button down below. Okay. So first of all, does it work like worldwide? Let me show you that this does work worldwide. Everyone can join this website, anyone, anywhere can join this program and start earning money within minutes because it's worldwide available, and since you're being paid per click absolutely free, you will not have to sell anything. This is not an affiliate program. This is not a link shortening service. People will not have to sign up to anything and they will not need to spend any money at all. They literally just need to click. That's all you need. So this is basically one of the easiest ways you can start making money online, especially with the next website which I'm about to show you, which you can combine to get those clicks and in complete autopilot. So it becomes a passive income stream for you. What is entire web? Now, first of all, let's clarify this. You have been using Google for a while. I guess you use it on a regular, daily basis, just like other 3 billion people around the world do every single day. So, billions of people use Google to search, to find answers, and to just explore the web. And it's absolutely free to use Google. But instead of Google, today we will be using entire web. This is a website. This is basically a platform called entireweb.com. This is also an absolutely free search engine just like Google, but the difference between Google and entire web is that entire web will actually pay you for each click, and it will actually pay you 20 cents per each click that you get. The reason being is because since they know that Google is a massive competitive, they want to attract more people to use their search engine over Google, and that's the reason why they are paying you 20 cents per each click, because Google doesn't. And obviously, since both of them are absolutely free, most people would rather opt in to use entireweb.com because entireweb.com will pay you 20 cents per click, which is pretty insane considering the fact that it's absolutely free. So you need to jump on this as soon as possible and take advantage of this second platform which I'm about to show you in a minute. So what will you simply need to do is, once you come over to entireweb.com, you're going to hover on services, and then that's gonna give you all these categories like home services, free submissions, SEO, ad market, affiliate, directory advertising, and so on and so forth. But there's only one thing which you're interested in that's actually going to make you money, and that's affiliate click. And don't worry, don't get the affiliate keyword to scare you, because you will not have to sell anything and you will not have to make people buy anything or pay for anything. In fact, you're actually being paid 20 cents for every click that you get on the free search engine submission service. So you can get other people that are regularly using Google to start using entire web, and if they use your link, you will make 20 cents per each click that you get, which is just insane. As I said, over 3 billion people use Google on a daily basis, so there's a massive potential. Even if you just refer 100 people to this website, that's still going to be a huge passive income for you. 1,000 people, that's even more than 10,000 people. That's absolutely insane. And you have a potential of 3 billion people. As you can see, you will get paid for every click. They will pay you for all clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is absolutely cool. You have a high conversion rate, obviously, because it's absolutely free and really simple. Just as I showed you 1 minute ago, they just need to start searching the entire web and you will get paid 20 cents for that. Everyone can join, anyone from anywhere in the world, and it's really easy to start within minutes. From selling up, you will be running and have started to earn money from your traffic. You'll see exactly how it works and exactly how this dashboard is going to look like for you, and exactly how you can withdraw your money from the dashboard. Let me show you another great thing. This is how exactly you will be paid. You will be paid through PayPal. So yes, you can collect some free PayPal money for those clicks, and the minimum payout value is is a 50, which may seem like a lot, but you can actually easily acquire $50 with this website and then instantly cash out and spend that money on whatever you prefer. So it's not $5, it's not $1, it's not that low like on other websites, but it's still great because you can once again easily acquire the minimum payoff threshold. So what you will need to do is, once you come over to the entire web affiliate program, you need to click on create account right here so you can sign up for absolutely free. Now you'll need to fill out some details about yourself. You'll need to enter first, last name. You will choose your own tracking ID. For example, you can even type in some username which you prefer. Let's say for instance my YouTube channel is AI Mastermind. I would enter my tracking ID to be AI Mastermind. Then you'll select a username or enter an email address for your account. Once you do that, you will enter additional information about yourself. Step number 3 is to just enter payout methods, however you want to get paid. PayPal is not the only option, so don't worry, but once you come over to payout methods, you can even just enter your PayPal email address and they'll pay you as soon as you hit $50. And the step number 4 will be to just read their terms and conditions, privacy policy, and if you accept, just tick the box and you'll accept it, and that's it. You have signed up to the entire web affiliate program and you will now start making money for each click that you generate. Registration process should take no longer than 60 seconds, so it takes less than a minute and you don't have to wait around to get approved or whatsoever. You will instantly be able to log into your brand new account, so the entire process takes less than a single minute. Once you log into your entire web account, this is what you'll see. Here goes your campaigns, and here on the left hand side is the home page where you can actually track your clicks and track the amount of money you have made. As you can see, since this is a brand new account, it's obviously gonna say 0 clicks and $0, but once I start getting clicks, this will change and I will start receiving money, which I can then withdraw by clicking on my profile account button right here, and I can request a withdrawal as soon as they have $50. What you'll need to do to start receiving those clicks is you'll first need to grab your affiliate link. So this is your special affiliate link. It's gonna be at the top of the page. It's gonna say your affiliate link, and you can copy this because whenever someone goes to this link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click. So you're just referring people to entire web where they can start searching the web and where they can start clicking on another website, and for each click you're being paid, which is really simple and really easy. But for now, once you grab long affiliate link, I wish to come over to tinyurl.com so you can make it short, and it is a free link for shortening service. So just paste your link in this box and click shorten. So now your link is gonna look short and you can start sharing it with other people, so you can acquire those clicks and start making money now. Sure, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and whatever. Share it with friends and family. That's definitely going to get you some clicks and that's definitely going to earn you some money. But if you actually want to set this up when you have a complete autopilot, so you have a potential to reach millions of clicks on complete autopilot, then you need to use this strategy which I'm about to share with you. So first of all, you will need to open up Google Docs. Open up docs.google.com and open up the blank document here. You can write something briefly and create a call to action for your special link that takes people to the entire web, to your affiliate link connected to entire web. And so just write something briefly. For example, I've typed in better than Google, try this new and free search engine called entire web, and I pasted my affiliate link right here. And it's really important that you leave your affiliate link so people can click on it. And I said, like, try it in seconds. Let me know if it's really better than Google or not. So who told them that it's new, it's free? So it's gonna attract more people. They'll know that they do not need to buy anything and don't need to spend any money. They can just try out this new search engine and it takes them only seconds. So they'll not have to wait for minutes, hours, or whatsoever. They can do it quickly and see if it's better than Google or not. And now for each click that I get, I will get paid 20 cents again and again. And obviously this is only one option. Of course, you can come up with your own call to action and with your own article, with your own script, and that might work even better. This is something that I did quickly just to show you an example. And once you're done writing your script and once you're done writing your article, I want you to click on the file button right here so you can save it to your computer. I will click on the download button and I will download this as a PDF document, and with that PDF document you will need to come over to this last website which we'll be using called slideshare.net. According to SimilarWeb, Slideshare.net is being visited by over 60 million people on a regular monthly basis, so you have a potential to reach over 100 million people with Slideshare.net. And it's absolutely free to share whatever article you have. And we'll be sharing our Google Docs article that includes your entire web affiliate link, so you can get those clicks on complete autopilot, because people that share articles on this website getting millions of views, because you saw that over 60 million people are using SlideShare. As you can see, people are getting millions of views, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of people reading those articles on slideshare.net apps, especially because it's absolutely free for them. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. Sign up process takes even less time than on the entire web, so it takes probably like 30 seconds or whatsoever. Once again you sign up, just click on the upload button right here. Now click select files to upload, select the PDF document, wait until it loads, give it a title. So for example, I will type in that this is better than Google, and I will type in it's free. Then I will type a brief description. Also in the description you can add your affiliate link as well, and that way I have higher chances of getting more clicks. For example, I will type in, is the search engine better than Google? Try it yourself in seconds, and I will also paste my link right here. Now choose the category, select the category right here from the list, select the privacy to be public, so you want everyone to see it, and you can give it different tags. So for example, type in Google search engine free and so on. The more tags you give it, the more people you will attract, and after that just hit publish, and that's it. Now you have a potential to reach over 100 million people with this article, so they can see and try entire web themselves, and you will get paid 20 cents per click that you generate. 1,000 clicks equals to $200, and 10,000 clicks is $2,000 for absolutely free, entirely passively with this website. So to make $2,000, you literally just need 10,000 clicks, which is really simple to acquire, since all they have to do is click on your link, start using the free search engine just like they're using Google, and you will start making money. And once again, millions of people use slideshare.net, and you can find millions of people on the internet that will be willing to try out entire web, because it costs them nothing. It's something that they do on a regular daily basis. So take advantage of the search engine and start making money as soon as possible, because in my opinion this is one of the easiest ways you can start making money, and the easiest way you can set up a passive income stream online. I really hope you did get some value out of this video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on, so you don't miss out on any of the new content. As always, thanks for watching. I will see you in some of the next videos that are coming up on the channel.